Hi, in today's video I'll be unboxing the ROG Strix SCAR 18 released in 2024, model G834. Let's take a look at what's inside the box and go over some key features. Opening the box, we first see the laptop itself. Underneath, the box includes a 330-watt power adapter, some documentation, and the customizable armor cap. You can customize the armor caps on this one by simply removing it and replacing it with a lone extra that comes with the package. Note that included accessories vary according to the country you live in. The design is straightforward with a mix of matte and transparent elements. There's also a light bar at the front, and the size is quite large due to the 18-inch screen. This model comes with an Intel Core i9-14900HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card. The display is Pantone validated with a resolution of 2.5K and a 240 Hz refresh rate, which can be helpful for smooth visuals, especially in games or fast-moving content. It also comes equipped with essential ports including Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, 2 USB-A, HDMI, LAN, and 3.5mm combo audio jack. Be aware that SCAR 18 is quite heavy, it weighs 3.1 kilograms. The keyboard has a solid build, includes RGB lighting, and uses switches that offer a tactile feel. There are multiple air vents around the sides and back, which are meant to support cooling. Overall, the SCAR 18 looks solid. It offers powerful hardware and a smooth screen, but it's not very portable and may not suit everyone's budget. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech videos.